Welcome to my channel, Speedline Auto, your go-to spot for the latest car reviews, test drives, and deep dives into the future of mobility. Today, I've got something really exciting for you, the 2026 Toyota minivan. And believe me, when I say this Toyota might have just created the smartest family vehicle we've ever seen. Now, let's be real. For years, the word minivan didn't exactly scream excitement. People thought of them as plain, practical, and a little boring. But Toyota has flipped the script in 2026. This isn't just another people carrier, it's a futuristic, tech-packed, stylish ride designed for families who want it all. Comfort, safety, versatility, and luxury. The first thing that grabs you is the design. Sleek lines, a modern aerodynamic profile, slim LED headlights, and a grille that looks bold yet refined. It's got the stance of a crossover, but the practicality of a van. This is a car that doesn't just move your family, makes a statement wherever it goes. Step inside, and the transformation is even more impressive. The cabin feels premium, almost lounge-like. A huge infotainment display dominates the dashboard, supported by digital driver screens and an optional heads-up display. Every detail is family first. Voice-activated sliding doors, climate zones for each row, wireless charging pads, and even AI reminders so you never forget essentials in the back seat. Tech isn't the only highlight here. Powering the 2026 Toyota minivan is a next-generation hybrid engine. Smooth, efficient, and powerful enough for long trips. This setup combines eco-friendliness with the kind of performance families actually need. Whether it's city driving or highway cruising, this van is built to handle it all while keeping fuel bills low. And of course, safety takes center stage. Toyota's latest Safety Sense package is standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot detection, automatic braking, and even semi-autonomous driving on highways. That's right, your family vehicle can practically drive itself in certain conditions, giving you peace of mind on every journey. What I really love is the flexibility. Fold-flat rear seats transform the van into a cargo hauler in seconds. Storage compartments are everywhere, USB-C ports and entertainment. Screens keep every passenger happy, no matter the trip length. Toyota clearly designed this with families in mind, big and small. So, is the 2026 Toyota minivan really the smartest family vehicle ever? I'd say it's a strong contender. It's stylish, practical, loaded with futuristic tech, and built with Toyota's signature reliability. Whether you're a parent with young kids, someone who loves long road trips, or even just a driver who values comfort and safety, this van has something for you. What do you think? Has Toyota just redefined the family car game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review. Subscribe to Speedline Auto for more deep dives into the cars shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay ahead of the curve.